Paying $330 for a pair of earbuds feels like a bold statement of intent. It is a massive price hike that puts these latest flagship buds way above the competition. Sony is betting big that you care more about pure sound than anything else. They are asking for $80 more than the latest pro-level rivals from the fruit-branded tech giant. The main selling point here is a claim that these are the greatest noise-canceling tools ever put into a human ear. If your world is defined by the music you listen to, they might be right. The sound quality is on a completely different level than anything else on the market. Every major audio expert seems to agree that these are the pinnacle of wireless listening right now. The internal hardware and the high-end processing deliver a sense of detail that makes other popular earbuds sound flat and uninspired by comparison. You can dive deep into the settings and customize the sound signature with a level of precision that no one else offers. Sony also finally fixed a major design flaw that drove people crazy. They ditched the glossy finish. It is finally gone. Instead, you get a premium matte coating that feels great in the hand. It does not collect oily fingerprints, and it does not feel like a wet bar of soap when you try to take them out of the case. The noise cancellation has seen a huge jump too. It uses a dedicated high-powered processor to silence the world around you. But there is a massive catch. For all the improvements in sound, the battery life has stayed exactly the same for 3 straight generations. You still only get 8 hours of juice. At this price point, staying flat while everyone else is getting better feels like a missed opportunity. The charging case is actually larger than the one it replaces. It is less pocketable and more bulky. The foam ear tips are still quite stiff and can be a bit of a struggle to fit comfortably compared to soft silicone alternatives. Then there is the water resistance. These are only rated for a light splash. Meanwhile, the main competition has moved to foot protection against dust and water immersion. Those other pro-level buds have also become much more than just music players. They are now officially approved as hearing aids. They can track your heart rate and even translate languages on the fly. Sony built a specialized tool for audiophiles, while the rest of the world is building health devices. The real question is whether that superior audio quality justifies the huge premium. If you use an Android phone and you want the absolute best sound that money can buy, these are the clear winners. They are a masterpiece of engineering for your ears. But if you want a device that integrates with your life and keeps track of your health, the choice becomes much harder. Sony focused entirely on the art of sound, but they might have ignored how the rest of the market is evolving. It is a beautiful piece of tech that knows exactly what it wants to be, even if that makes it a niche luxury for some.